Hello, I am Eva Bizek, Professor of Medical Radiations at the University of South Australia. The grant I wish to receive from the Tour de Cure is vitally important because it will enable my team to embark on both novel and translational research in the area of head and neck cancers. You may have not known, but the head and neck cancer is the sixth leading cancer by incidence worldwide. It is generally treated with combination of surgery, radiation therapy, and chemotherapy. Radiation itself is usually delivered using linear accelerators and is delivered in a number of treatment sessions over several weeks with a prescribed dose of radiation delivered to the tumor at each session. Head and neck cancers are very challenging tumors to treat, and despite numerous advances in treatment, survival rate for head and neck cancers is low and has little change over the last decades. Additionally, the proximity of the treated area to healthy tissues results in severe side effects that impacts on the patient's quality of life. Just imagine not having saliva, not being able to swallow or talk, and have most painful inflammation of your mouth and digestive tubes, also known as mucositis. Additionally, lately more attention has been paid to the involvement of so-called human papillomavirus, or HPV, which results in a type of a head and neck cancer that is actually more sensitive to radiation and can be damaged by radiation more easily. This is a clear advantage as the radiation dose can potentially be reduced without compromising patients' treatment outcomes. And since HPV tumors are more common in young patients, reduction of side effects and long-term toxicities is absolutely crucial. However, currently treatment protocols do not make distinctions between HPV statuses, and there is yet insufficient understanding of differences in underlying mechanisms to radiobiological responses. And this brings me to the objectives of our project. Ultimately, we aim to develop new radiotherapy fractionation regimens and dose prescriptions that will result in more effective treatment and better patient outcomes while potentially reducing the cost of radiotherapy and associated management of side effects. The grant will enable us to do both in vitro experimental study using cell lines and also in silico computational study. This can be rapidly implemented and trialed in clinics as no new drugs or apparatus is required, and the outcome will be generated by individualizing and tailoring the treatment schedule based on patient diagnosis and HPV stratification. In summary, radiation therapy for cancer is one of the most cost-effective therapies for localized cancers. Our combined industry-partnered project team from medical and physical sciences, from academic and clinical environments is well positioned to deliver the objectives and outcomes of this proposal. Thank you for listening and for giving me the opportunity to talk about our work in cancer research.